Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. Do code with me. So today we are going to see the Boolean value. So Boolean value is nothing but the either true or false. Okay. So often it is in conditional. So based on condition either we say true or it's false. So basically it's conditional things. So we just take a one example. Okay. Let's say I want to the print 10 is greater than 9. Okay. So it is a true or false. It is true. So it will give the true condition. So based on those two operators, it will give two based on condition. It will evaluate the result. So which is nothing but the true value. So there is nothing much to do it. So 10 is equal to 9. It is fair, false, or still print 10 less than equal to 9 is also false. Okay. So this is the way we are going to evaluate the condition. So here we check the either variable is true or not or false, or based on some condition you can evaluate that evaluate the some condition, some value. Okay. So using comparison operators or anything, so based on that is we just give the true or false things. Okay. So there is nothing much to evaluate. There are some variable also, there are some variables, so we can evaluate it. So in upcoming programming series, okay, so once we start the if loop, if statement, not a loop, once we complete the if statement, we're going to do the mega programming, because in that we try to cover as much as more programming, and whatever the part we have covered till if statement, we try to cover all the related programs related to those concepts. Okay. So that's it about the Boolean. Okay. I think there is no much to give the explanation. Maybe there is a lot many theory, but I am interested to only give the practical approach and short words. Keep it short words. Thank you very much.